Hi guys, in this overview we're going to take a quick look at how you can use mission control right inside your Cirrus Insight application within Gmail or Outlook. Using the Inbox app feature, you can install mission control and you can access some of the key information, you can log time, and you can add new actions to existing projects. So let's take a quick look. I'm personally really excited to see what we've got this up and running, because we do use Cirrus, and what it means is that we're now going to be able to access key mission control information directly from the Cirrus Insight plugin. So you'll see on the right hand side here, I've got my Cirrus Insight working. And what I've got is I've got an email open, and it's referencing a particular contact in my Salesforce system. And what it's showing me on the mission control icon here, I can see my active projects relating to this client. I'm also able to log time, and I'm also able to create new actions against any project. So let's take a closer look at the active projects page. So I'm going to click on that. So you'll see here it loads up all of the active projects. Now you can expand any of the projects to show the milestones, and then you're able to expand the milestones to show the actions grouped within that milestone. So there's a few things that you can do from this page too. Setting the checkbox on each individual action will actually mark the status of that action to complete. You're also able to click the plus sign over here relating to a particular milestone, and that will take you to the Add Action page, and it will already pre-populate the project and milestone, so you can just fill in the rest of the details and create a new action for that project. Clicking on the clock icon here against a particular action will take you to the time logger, where you're actually able to put in some additional, you're able to log your time against that action. And clicking on this list icon will actually take the email that you've got open in Gmail or Outlook, and it will actually attach that email to as a task relating to the action within mission control. So I'll just jump back to the home page there, and I'll just click on the time logger. So as I've mentioned, you can also log time directly from the Inbox app. Simply select the project, the milestone, the action, enter in your hours, and then click the log time button, and that will create the new time log record in mission control. And also, if we take a look at the action, as I mentioned earlier, you can also create a new action. Just fill in the details as outlined by selecting the project, milestone, who's going to be responsible for it, the start and end dates, the description of the action, how many hours it's required. Click on create, and that will add that new action directly into mission control. So as I mentioned, we're using Cirrus Insight here at Aprika, and it's a great tool. So we're personally very much looking forward to being able to use this new feature